Today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your CallApp. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it, then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on record that you just click on it here. So then you come to next step here, come here to increase recording volume. So then here in this here, can you control it? Can you manage it here? Can you manage here your increase recording volume in this list here, like you say? So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.